Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I saw something on the internet several weeks ago that kind of tickled my funny bone, and I decided I wanted to make a plaque out of it. I ended up not making a plaque right now. I will hopefully make a plaque still. I did a coaster instead because I wanted to get it done. Anyway, I don't know if the story is true behind this, and I don't really care. It's funny. There was an ad agency that was asked to put together something for a new menu for a restaurant. The restaurant was called the Amadeus Cafe, and they wanted to just have their logo on there and have some music. Amadeus referring to Amadeus Mozart. You would think they'd pick something from Mozart to put on there. The direction they were given was, just put some music on it. We don't care what, just put some music on it. And what they ended up putting on there is actually kind of funny. There's music, and for the people that are a little musically inclined, if they look at it, they'll recognize that as a very popular cartoon theme. It's the theme from the Flintstones. Anyway, that was kind of funny, and so I ended up making a coaster out of it. I just took it into Lightburn, and well, first I went into Photoshop, found a font that was similar to what they were using. I rescored the music in the scoring program so I had a nice clean image of that, put it all together, brought it into Lightburn, did an edge trace, and then did the burn. So let's go take a look at that. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's head over to the laser. That turned out pretty well. As expected, that little P7 does a really nice job. It's fast and the laser is well focused and that sort of thing. So this is how it turned out. I think the music turned out nicely at the bottom, and this will make a great gift for somebody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.
Oops.